Watch a giant jade boulder become luxury jewelry in 4 stages. Stage 1. Massive raw jade discovered deep in earth mines.
See how the green intensifies near the core? That's the translucence we need.
Confirmed. The sensor array is logging the scatter at 9. The translucent quality here, especially in the green jade sections, is exceptional. It validates the Novatek extraction process.
Yes, I see the light path clearly now.
We'll set the boundary just above the fault line.
Roger that. 45 centimeters on the tape.
Lower it steady now, just above the fracture line. Copy that, easing it down.
Make sure that link is seated properly.
It's in. Clear to tension the line.
Okay, slow and steady. Bring it up another 5 meters and traverse right.
Copy that, watching the clearance now.
The chroma levels on the northern facet are exceptional. Log that as primary grade.
Confirmed. The amber undertones are strong.
The color saturation on this one is excellent, right within the Novatek standard.
Agreed. The density reading confirms the quality. See how the green intensifies near the core? That's the translucence we need.
Confirmed. The sensor array is logging the scatter at 9.
Raw Jade Boulder 001. Certified Grade A Imperial Green.
Stage 2. Industrial cutting transforms raw boulder into workable slabs.
Easy now, watch the edge.
Looks perfect, right on spec.
The diamond saw allows us to make incredibly precise cuts, minimizing waste on the raw slab.
We need to center the imperial greenstone here.
Yes, Master. It balances the overall weight.
Maintain that pressure through the curve. We want a perfectly smooth edge for the Novatek standard.
Reading 24.52 millimeters on the primary axis.
Acknowledged. Data point recorded.
Ensure the cushioning is flush.
Yes, Master Cutter. This is the last of Boulder 001.
Stage 3. Master craftsmen carve and polish jade into brilliant gems. Stage 4. Finished jade masterpiece set in precious gold.
Once the mold has cooled, the real work begins. Fine filing ensures a flawless finish.
We are thrilled to finally reveal the centerpiece of our collection. Sourced from the finest raw jade, this
Raw jade to luxury jewelry in 480 seconds are complete.